Divide 579 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 7 and it is 27. So 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 9 and 3 times 3 is 9. On subtracting we get 0. So 579 divided by 3 is 193. So this much for today and thanks for watching.